Okay, friends. Good evening, friends. In last class, we discussed the sitting arrangement. Yes, I think so. I given two to three examples. Two to three examples. Yes. Next, I given one more question. I given one more question. Yes. Friends, how many of you all? How many of you all? Yes, friends. Sige. Yes, friends. Sige. Friends, given one is one. Sige. Totally we are having. Sige. Eight members are sitting around a circular table, yet equal distance between each other, but not necessarily in the same order. Next, leave it. Friends, some of the people are facing the center, some of the people are facing the center, while some are facing outside, some are facing outside. Yes, leave it. Friends, here again, first point is what? S is sitting fourth left of P. S is sitting fourth left of P. Next one is what? O side, second right of. Yes. O side, second right of. Yes. Next one is what? S faces outside. S faces outside. Next one is what? L side, star right of R. L side, star right of R. Next one is what? R is not an immediate neighbor of O. R is not an immediate neighbor of O. Next one is what? L is not an immediate neighbor of P. L is not an immediate neighbor of P. Next one is what? Both immediate neighbors of Q face center. Both immediate neighbors of Q facing center. Next, both immediate neighbors of M facing opposite direction. Yes. So friends, here the mention is what? Both immediate neighbors of M facing opposite direction. So friends, check here. Friends, what the meaning of opposite direction means? If one neighbor of M is facing inside, then other one is facing outside. Otherwise, vice versa. If one neighbor of M is facing inside, then other one is outside. Otherwise, if one is facing outside, then other one is facing inside. Yes. Next one is found both immediate neighbors of S facing same direction as O. See here. Both immediate neighbors of S facing same direction as O. So, but friends, here, if O is facing inside, then both immediate neighbors of S also facing inside. If O faces outside, both immediate neighbors of S also facing outside. Let's leave it. Next, the next one is one. Immediate neighbors of P faces a direction opposite to the top. P, yes. Suppose friends, if P is facing inside, then immediate neighbors of P are facing outside. Immediate neighbors of P are facing outside. Yes. So when those one who are present in this live chart, then give your comment whether people are present or not. Yes, friends here. So when totally we are having eight members, friends here, totally we are having eight members, totally we are having eight members are sitting around a circular table, are sitting around a circular table. Yes, some of them are facing inside and some of them are facing outside. Some of them are facing inside and some of them are facing outside. Leave it. Next dimension is one. S sits fourth left of P. S sits fourth left of P. Friends here, S sits fourth left of P means S sits fourth left of P means we don't know whether P is facing inside or outside. Inside or outside. Now friends check here. Suppose friends check here. One possibility P is facing inside. P is facing inside. If P is facing inside means then S is fourth left of P. Then for P first left. See here. The mention is for S is fourth left of P for P. First left, second left, third left, fourth left is what? Yes, yes is sitting. Fourth left of P. One possibility P is facing inside. Next possibility P is facing outside. Next above and check here. Next possibility here. In this case, P is facing outside. P is facing outside. Now friends, here the mention is what? S is sitting. S is sitting. See here. S sits fourth left of P. S sits fourth left of P. One possibility P is facing inside means first left, second left, third left, fourth left. Next possibility P is facing outside means first left, second left, third left, this one is what? Fourth left. Now, yes, it's fourth left of P. Yes, it's fourth left of P. Friends, here, the next one is what? Yes, it's fourth left of P. That means here we don't know whether P is facing inside or P is facing outside. One possibility P is facing inside, other one is P is facing outside. Yes, wait. Friend, next point is what? See here. Next one is what? Friends, at the ending, the next one is what? At the ending, the next one is what? Immediate neighbors of figure immediate neighbors of P faces a direction opposite to the top P. Yes, here immediate neighbors of P faces a direction opposite to the top P. A direction opposite to the top P. Friends, in this case here P is facing outside, then immediate neighbors of P are facing inside. Immediate neighbors of P are facing inside. Why means they mention is what? Immediate neighbors of P faces a direction opposite to the top P. If P is outside, immediate neighbors of P are facing inside. If P is facing inside, then immediate neighbors of P are facing outside. Immediate neighbors of P are facing outside. Yes, leave it. Next point is what? See here. S said fourth left of P completed. Next one is what? O said second right of. Yes. O said second right of. Yes. Next one is what? S faces outside. Now friends take here. S facing outside. S facing outside. Next dimension is what? O said. O said. See here. O said second right of. Yes. Now friends take here. Dimension is what? O said second right of. Yes. Here also S is facing outside, then first right, second right is what? O. O seat, second right off, yes. O seat, second right off, yes. Leave. Next point is what? L seat, star right off R. See again, the mention is what? L seat, star right off R. Next leave it. R is not an immediate neighbor of O. R is not an immediate neighbor of O. That means friends here, R is not immediate neighbor of O. R here no chance, then here also no chance. Here also no chance, yes. Now friends here, next point is what? Friends, L is not immediate neighbor of P. L is not immediate neighbor of P. Friends, L is not immediate neighbor of P means, see here, for L here no chance, for L here also no chance, here also no chance, yes. Now friends, leave it, friends here. Check here, our requirement is what? L is star right of R. L is star right of R. See here, R is not neighbor of O means, for R here no chance, here also no chance. Suppose friends check here, if I will take here R and if I will take here R, now our requirement is what? L is star right of R. L is star right of R. Here we don't know whether R is facing inside or outside. If R is outside, first right, second right, third right, L, no chance. If R is inside, first right, second right, third right, L also, no chance. That means for R here, no chance. For R here, no chance. Suppose friends check here. If I will take here R and if I will take here R. Now friends here, our requirement is what? L is star right of R. If R is facing inside, first right, second right, third right, L, no chance. Why means L is not neighbor of P. Now take here R is outside means first right, second right, third right, here L, possibility, yes. Suppose if I will take here R means for R facing means first right, second right, third right, here L, no chance. That means for R and L we are having only one possibility. We are having only one possibility. Friends again, friends, whether you people are present or not, yes or no, give your comment. Whether you people are watching or not. Yes, friends, sige. Friends, the mention is what? Sige. L is star right of L is star right of R and R is not neighbor of O. R is not neighbor of O. R is not neighbor of O means for R, these three are the possibility end. If I take here R means for R, first right, second right, third right, this side no chance. For R, first right, second right, third right, this side also no chance. Next, suppose if I will take here R means first right, second right, third right here, no chance. That means this is the only possibility for R. This is the only possibility for R. Suppose friends here we don't know whether R is facing inside or outside. If R is inside means first right, second right, third right, L, no chance. Then here R is facing outside. Then first right, second right, third right is finished what? L. L is sitting third right of R. L is sitting third right of R. Friends, in this case, see here, the measurement is what? L is not neighbor of P. L is not neighbor of P. At the same time, R is not neighbor of O. R is not neighbor of O. Suppose friends check here, R is not neighbor of O means for R, these three are the possibilities. Maybe this one, or maybe this one, or maybe this one. If I will take here R means, here we don't know whether R is facing inside or outside. If R is facing in outside, first right, second right, third right, no chance. If R is inside, first right, second right, third right also, no chance, yes. Suppose if I will take here R means, if R is facing inside, first right, second right, third right, L is, no chance. If R is outside, first right, second right, third right here, possibility. That means friends take here, if R is facing outside, then first right, second right, third right, this one is what? L. Suppose if I will take here R means, if R is facing inside, first right, second right, third right, no chance. R is outside, first right, second right, third right also, no chance. That means here also we are having only one possibility. Here also we are having only one possibility. Yes. Now friends, see here. Yes, friends, see here. Now friends, see here, our requirement is what? See here. Now L and R completed. Yes, leave it. Next point is what? L is not immediate neighbor of P, leave. When dimension is what? Both immediate neighbors of Q face center. Both immediate neighbors of Q facing center. So friends, both immediate neighbors of Q facing center means, see here, take in this possibility and friends, in this possibility, remaining empty place this one, next this one, and this one. Our requirement is what? Both immediate neighbors of Q facing center. Both immediate neighbors of Q facing center. Suburban if I will take here Q1, suburban check here. Suburban check here. If I will take here Q, both immediate neighbors of Q facing center, no chance. If I will take here Q, both immediate neighbors of Q facing center, no chance. If I will take here Q, both immediate neighbors are Q facing center, no chance. That means, see here, remaining empty places are these three, this one, and this one. If I will take here Q, our requirement is what? Both immediate neighbors are Q are facing inside, no chance. If I will take here, both are facing inside, no chance. If I will take here Q, both are facing inside, no chance. That means simply this possibility is wrong. This possibility is wrong. Now friends, take here, in this case, see here, remaining empty places are this one, next, this one, and this one. Next here, suppose friends here, our requirement is what? Both immediate numbers are Q are facing inside. If I will take here Q means both are facing inside, no chance. Why means here both are already facing outside. If I will take here Q means, yeah, both immediate numbers are Q facing inside, no chance. Why means here already R is facing outside. Then this is the only possibility for Q. Now our requirement is what? Both immediate numbers of Q are facing inside. One neighbor of Q is what? P inside. Then O also inside. Yes. Both immediate neighbors of Q are facing inside. Both immediate neighbors of Q are facing inside. Next, leave it. Friends, the mention is what? Both immediate neighbors of M facing opposite direction. Yes, friends, here. Both immediate neighbors of M facing opposite direction. Remember, what is the meaning of opposite direction means? If one neighbor of M is facing inside, then other one is facing outside, otherwise vice versa. Now take here, both immediate neighbors of M are facing opposite direction. That means here, remaining empty places are these two. If I will take here M means both immediate neighbors of M are facing same direction. No chance. That is the only possibility for M. Now both immediate neighbors of M are facing opposite. One neighbor of M is what? P is facing inside, then other one is facing outside. Other one is facing outside. Yes, friends here. Friends, now remaining person is what? N. Remaining person is what? N. Friends, at the ending dimension clue point is what? See here. Both immediate neighbors are S facing same direction as O. Same direction as O. So both immediate neighbors of S faces same direction as O. Friends, here O is facing inside. O is facing inside. Then both immediate neighbors of S also facing inside. Both immediate neighbors of S also facing inside. Yes. So friends, this is the given entire arrangement and the given entire arrangement. Now friends, here what is the position of Q with respect? What is the position of Q with respect to, suppose here, with respect to M and with respect to M? Friends, here, what is the position of Q with respect to M? With respect to M? Answer is what? What is the position of Q with respect to M? Answer is. Friends, question is what? What is the position of Q with respect to M? With respect to M? Friends, here position of Q with respect to M. Here M is facing outside. Then first left, second left. Then answer is what? See here, position of Q with respect to M. Then answer is what? Second left. Then answer is what? Second left. Yes. Vasudev, once again check your answer. What is the position of Q with respect to M? With respect to M. Position of Q with respect to M is what? For M, first left, second left is what? Q. Position of Q with respect to M is what? Second left. Yes. Friends, what about remaining persons? Whether you people are watching or not? Friends, yes or no? Give your comment. Friend, those one who are watching this live session, then give your comment. Yes, sir, we are present. Friends, whether you people are watching or not, yes or no? If you are present for live session, then give comments or yes, we are present. I already given this question in last class and I already given this question in last class for your practice purpose. Those one who are solved, one check your answer. Sige. The mention is what? What is the position of Q with respect to M? With respect to M. Sige. Position of Q with respect to M is what? Second left. Friends, whether you people are watching or not, yes or no? Next, go for next question. Yes, friends, go for next question. The next one is what? Total we are having. Angela, yes sir. Next, what about remaining? Those one who are watching this video, give your comment whether you people are present or not. Yes, sir. They mention total we are having 8 members, studies in different standards, studies in different standards. They give it 1 to 8. All of them are seated around a circular table facing the center. So this one is what? Sitting arrangement with puzzle and sitting arrangement with puzzle. Just try to solve. Friends, those one who are present for this live session, then give your comment. Yes, sir, we are present. Today's session is started by exact time and day. That is the main reason you people didn't came. Yes, friends, here those one who are present for session, try to solve. Try to solve. Total we are having 8 members. A to H studies in different standards 1 to 8. Yes, all of them are seated around a circular table facing the center. Next, CA is far right of H. Next, H studies in standard 8. F said second left of A. Next, E is not immediate neighbor of C or H. The one who studies in standard 1 is an immediate neighbor of A. Next, three people sit between H and the student of standard 7. Next, H, C and also their immediate neighbors do not study in standard 2. Next, only one person sit between the student of standard 2 and G. Next, students of standard 3 and 4 are immediate neighbors of each other. C is neither in standard 4 nor in 3. Only one person sit between A and student of standard 5. A does not study in standard 2 or 3. B does not study in standard 2. Friends, whether you people are solving or not, then give your comment. If you are not solving me, then simply I will explain. Otherwise, if you are solving me, then I will give time. Friends, yes or no, whether you people are solving or not. Okay, friends, in last class, one of the student, they asked, sir, please upload session number 3 and so, friends, we already updated. Just one check once again and now session number 3 is available in our portal. One check. Friends, give the gap to study the question. Friends, remember and while studying question only, you people should solve. But studying one time and solving it will take time and don't do like that. While studying only, you should solve parallelly. You should solve parallelly. Next, when those one who are solving, try to give your comment, sir. Yes, we are solving. Then I will give time to solve. Friends, parallelly you should solve only. While reading only, you should make arrangement. Total we are having eight members. Total we are having eight members. Now each one is going to study in different standards. So arrangement with puzzle and arrangement with puzzle. Friends, 2 years before, these models are very very important in our mains. At present, these models are very very important in our preliminary exam. Why means day by day they are changing your paper patterns and paper patterns. Friends, once completion of this entire sitting arrangement session, then I given practice questions and already present in our slides. That practice questions, all questions are your previous example. All questions are your previous examples. But thing is, the sitting arrangement and puzzle both are depends upon your practice. Both are depends upon your practice. Friends, per day, try to solve one arrangement and try to solve one arrangement. If you are going to solve like this means after 2 weeks we are going to feel each and every arrangement is easy and but if you will not solve means we are going to feel tough only. But friends, see here, the sitting and puzzle both are easy and if you are having practice, if you are having practice. Yes, Vasudev, we are solving next. Angela, we are solving next. Friends, what about remaining candidates? Those one who are watching this video, compulsory give your comment. Sir, one check chat bar, sir. How many members are there? Yes, I think so. In last class, the student name is I think so Meena Kumari. She asked us, please upload session number three. Session number three video. Friends, one check. Today it is available. Today it is available. We already uploaded. One check. So, friends, whether you people are solving or not, if not, simple I will explain. Yes or no? Swapna, trying sir. Next, friends, what about remaining? Total, we are having 8 members. Now, each one is going to study same different standards. Arrangement with puzzle. Arrangement with puzzle. Friends, at present, these models are very, very important. Remember, for each and every arrangement, hardly your time limit is 3 minutes. Option D. In which standard you studies? Yes, 6. Was your answer is correct? Your answer is correct. Yes. Friends, what about remaining persons? Friends, what about remaining persons? Whether you people are solved or not? Still we are solving. Friends, please try to participate in live chat. If you'll participate in live chat, me then I get to know these many members are watching and these many members are actively participating in regular class. Friends, shall I explain? Yes or no? Yes, friends, I will explain friends. Friends, given one is what? See, totally we are having 8 members. Totally we are having 8 members. Studies in 8 different standards. Studies in 8 different standards. Next, all of them are seated around a circular table facing the center. All of them are seated around a circular table facing the center. Yes, friends, here. Friends, total we are having 8 members. Total we are having 8 members are sitting around a circular table. Are sitting around a circular table. Next, all are facing inside. All are facing inside. Yes, friends, no need to mention all are facing inside. Yes, leave it. Next, the next one is what? Friends, here, C said star right of H. C said star right of H. So friends, here C said star right of H. That means here C position depends upon H and C position depends upon H. Then take H is anywhere, your choice. Suppose friends take here, if I will take here H means, if I will take here H is facing inside means left hand, right hand, first right, second right, third is what? C. C is sitting, third right of H. C is sitting, third right of H. Leave it. Next one is what? H studies in standard 8. Yes, friends, here, the next one is what? H studies in standard 8. It studies in standard 8. Next one is for F set second left of A. F set second left of A. Friends, here F set second left of A means here if we don't know about F and A positions, F and A position, then simply leave it. Next one is what? Friend, the next one is what? E is not immediate neighbor of E is not immediate neighbor of C R H. Yes, friends, here. Friend, the next one is what? E is not immediate neighbor of C R H. That means, friends, here. E is not immediate neighbor of C. Next here also, E is not immediate neighbor of C. E is not immediate neighbor of C. Next in this case, see E is not immediate neighbor of H. Next here also, E is not immediate neighbor of H. Friends, the mention is what? See E is not immediate neighbor of E is not immediate neighbor of C R H. C R H. That means E is not immediate neighbor of C. At the same time, E is not immediate neighbor of H. That means see E is not immediate neighbor of C and E is not immediate neighbor of H means for E here no chance, here also no chance. That means these two are the possibilities for A. These two are the possibilities for A. When these two are the possibilities for image, friends, suppose friends check here. Yes, friends, see here. The next one is what? See here. E is not immediate neighbor of C or H means for E total we are having two possibilities. Total we are having two possibilities. Suppose friends check here. If I will take this possibility for A, if I will take this possibility for A, friends, before point dimension is what? F is sitting second left of A. Friends, here dimension is what? F is sitting second left of A. F is sitting second left of A. Friends, F is sitting second left of me. E means if E is facing inside first left, second left of, is there any chance? No. That means for E here no chance. For E here no chance. See here. That means for E here no chance. If E here no chance means now for E we are having only one possibility. We are having only one possibility. Friends, one check here how I am eliminating possibility. Friends, here the mention is one. C E is not immediate neighbor of C R H. E is not immediate neighbor of C or H means for E here no chance. Here also no chance. Next immediate neighbor of H here also no chance. That means these two are the possibilities for A. These two are the possibilities for A. If I will take in this case E means our requirement is what? F is second left of A. Then for A first left, second left of here no chance. That means for E we are having only one possibility. Now see here. Friends, E facing inside means then see here. Then first left, second left is what? F. F is sitting second left of E. F is sitting second left of E. Yes, leave it. Friend, next point is what? See here. The one who studies in standard 1 is an immediate neighbor of A. The one who studies in standard number 1 is an immediate neighbor of A. That means for standard 1 totally here we are having two possibilities. Maybe this one is standard number 1 or maybe this one is standard number 1. Yes, friends, simply leave it. Next friends, here they mention next point is one. Three people sit between H and the student of standard 7. Between H and the student of standard 7 we are having three people. We are having three people. Now friends, here H, suppose friends take here H, suppose friends take here clockwise. See here 1 2 3. This one is what? Standard number 7. Otherwise take anti-clockwise. See here H 1 2 3. This one is what? Standard 7. Three people sit between H and the student of standard number 7. Yes, leave it. Then next they mention next clue point is what? See here H comma C and also their immediate neighbors do not study in standard 2. Do not study in standard 2. That means friends, here H does not study standard 2. Yes, here H does not study standard 2 and C also does not study standard 2. Next and their immediate neighbors also does not study standard 2. That means here C immediate neighbor standard number 2 here no chance. Next here also no chance. Next H immediate neighbor standard 2 here no chance. Next here also no chance. Friends, here they mention is what? Here H comma C and also their immediate neighbors do not study in standard number 2. That means H does not study standard 2 and C also does not study and their immediate neighbors also does not study in standard 2. That means friends, here for standard 2 we are having only two possibilities. Maybe E is standard 2 or maybe it's funny standard number 2. Maybe E is standard 2 or maybe it's funny standard number 2. Yes, suppose friends check here. Suppose friends check here. Now these two are the possibilities for standard 2. These two are the possibilities for standard 2. Suppose friends check here. If I will take this possibility for standard 2 and if I will take this possibility for standard 2 Our requirement is what? Only one person sit between. Only one person sit between student of standard 2 and G. Only one person sit between student of standard 2 and G. Now, friends, here, if I will take this possibility for standard 2, now see here, standard 2 1%, G, no chance. Now, standard 2 1%, G, here also no chance. Friends, here, the mention is what? H comma C and also the immediate neighbors do not study in standard number 2. That means for standard 2 total we are having two possibilities, maybe E or maybe this one. If you know about standard 2 means our requirement is what? Only one person sit between, only one person sit between student of standard 2 and G. See here, between 2 and G, we are having only 1%. We are having only 1%. If I will take this possibility for 2 means, now 2, 1% G, no chance. Now 2, 1% G, here also no chance. That means, in this case for standard 2, there is no chance. That means for standard 2, we are having only one possibility. If you know about standard number 2 means, our requirement is what? Only one person sit between student of standard 2 and G. Student of standard 2 and G. See here. Standard 2, 1% G, no chance. Now see here. Standard 2, next 1%. This one is what? G. See here. This one is what? G. This one is what? G. Yes. Friends, if you know about G means, see here, one immediate neighbors of E is what? 2. But previously they given clue point is what? The one who studies in, see here, the one who studies in standard number 1 is an immediate neighbor of E, is an immediate neighbor of E. That means now for standard number 1, we are having only one possibility. We are having only one possibility. Yes, leave it. Next friends, next point is what? See here. Students of standard 3 and 4 are immediate neighbors of each other. Yes. Students of standard 3 and 4 are immediate neighbors of each other. Immediate neighbors of each other. Leave it. Next, the next one is what? CA is neither in standard number 3 nor in standard number 4. Friends, again. Students of standard 3 and 4 are immediate neighbors of each other, but CA is neither in standard number 4 nor in standard number 3. Yes. Now, friends, here 3 and 4 are immediate neighbors of each other means now CA is neither in standard number 3 nor in standard number 4. So 3 and 4 are immediate neighbors means this is the only possibility. Here, this one is what? 3, 4. Otherwise, this one is what? 4, 3. This one is what? 4, 3. Yes. Suppose we take here 3, 4 possibility. Suppose we take here 3, 4 possibility. If it is not applicable, then go for 4, 3. Then go for 4, 3. Leave it. When dimension one, next point is what? See here. Only one person sit between A and student of standard 5. See here. When dimension is what? Only one person sit between A and student of standard number 5. A and student of standard number 5. Next dimension is what? A does not study in standard 2 or 3. See here. A does not study in standard 2. Next, at the same time, A does not study in standard 3. That means, friends, only possibility for A is what? See here. Only possibility is what? Standard number 4. Standard number 4. But if you know about A means, our requirement is what? Only one person sit between A and student of standard 5. See here. Friends, A 1% 5, no chance. Now A 1% 5, here also no chance. That means here, friends, for 3, 4 possibility, no chance. And for 3, 4 possibility, no chance. Friends, here they mention is what? Student of standard 3 and 4 are sitting immediate to each other. Next one is what? CA is neither in standard number 3 nor in 4 means. Now 3 and 4 are immediate neighbors means maybe 3, 4, otherwise 4, 3. If I will take here 3, 4 possibility means our requirement is what? A does not study in standard 2 and standard 3 means for A possibility is what? Standard 4. If you know about A means our requirement is what? One person is between A and student of standard 5. A 1% 5, no chance. A 1% 5, no chance. That means here 4, 3 possibility, no chance. And 4, 3 possibility, no chance. If 4, sorry, here 3, 4 is no chance. If 3, 4 is no chance, then go for 4, 3. Then go for 4, 3. Now, the mention is what? A does not study in standard 2. A does not study in standard 3. That means for A possibility is what? Standard 4. A possibility is what? Standard 4. If you know about A means, one person sit between A and student of standard 5. See here. A 1% here 5, no chance. Now see here. A 1% this one is what? 5. This one is what? 5. Yes. Now friends, see here. The mention is what? B does not study in standard 2. B does not study in standard 2 means for B here, no chance. For B here, no chance. That means this is the only possibility for B. This is the only possibility for B. Remaining is what? 3 only. Yes. Now friends, here. Now A studies in 4, B studies in 3, C studies in 5, F studies in 7. Next, H is in S studies in 8. Next G 1. Next one is what? Remaining E. Yes. Friends, remaining E means remaining standard is what? Remaining standard is 6. Remaining standard is 6. Next one, see here. Here remaining person is what? See here. A completed, B completed, C completed. Next one is what? Remaining is what? D. Remaining is what? D. Yes. So when this is the given entire arrangement, the given entire arrangement. Now friends, here given question is what? In which standard he studies? In which standard he studies? Friends, he studies in which standard mean? The answer is what? Sixth standard. The answer is what? Option D. The answer is what? Option D. Yes. Friends, previously these models are very very important in our mains, but at present these models are very very important in our prelims. Why means day by day they are making your paper pattern is little bit tough and little bit tough. Friends, in this question, is there any doubt? Friends, yes or no? Those one who are watching this video, then give comment. In last class, I already said better to attend for live class. Why means while watching live and if you are having any doubt, there is chance to rise. Angela, no sir. Friends, what about remaining? Those one who are watching this video, in this question, is there any doubt? Yes or no? Swapna, no sir. Next. Yes, friends, sige. Next go for next question. Go for next question. Friends, sige. Friend, this one also same. This one also same. In the previous example, I given standards, but here they given proficiency. They given proficiency. Yes. So total we are having 8 members are sitting around a circular table facing the center. Each of them is of a different profession: chartered account, columnist, doctor, engineer, financial analyst, lawyer, professor, and scientist, but not necessarily in the same order. Yes. Friends, try to solve this one. Try to solve this one. Friends, good news is what? IBPS RRB PO they declared mains result and any of you given IBPS PO RRB PO mains. So friends, total we are having 8 members are sitting in a circular table facing the center. Next, each of them is of a different profession. They given professions. Next, they given arrangement. That means arrangement with puzzle and arrangement with puzzle. Yes, friends, I will give hardly 2 or 3 minutes. Try to solve. They given your first point is what? F is sitting second left of K. Next, the scientist is an immediate neighbor of K. Next, there are only 3 people sit between scientist and E. Next, one person sit between the engineer and E. Next one is what? The columnist is to the immediate right of engineer. Next, MA second right of K. Next one is H is the scientist. Next, G and J are immediate neighbors of each other. Next, neither G nor J is an engineer. The finance analyst is to the immediate left of F. Next, the lawyer is second right of columnist. The professor is an immediate neighbor of engineer. Then GA second right of chartered account.